Welcome back to Word Warehouse. Today, we're exploring some of the most useful English words starting with the letter L. You'll learn clear definitions, real examples, and natural collocations, so you can use each word confidently in everyday situations. Let's get started. Loony, a crazy or silly person or idea. That plan sounds completely loony. He's a bit loony about UFOs. His loony ideas made everyone laugh during the meeting. Only a loony would swim in this cold water. Loop, a shape like a circle or curve made by a line or rope. He tied the rope in a loop. The ribbon was tied in a perfect loop around the box. Loop, a repeated action or process. The song keeps playing on a loop. The video was on a continuous loop at the exhibition. Extra note. The expression "in the loop" means to be informed or included in a group or process. Example, please keep me in the loop about any updates. Loose, not tight or firmly fixed. These pants are too loose around the waist. Free or not controlled. Don't let the dog run loose in the park. Movie line, you can cut loose from him now. This is your chance. Means you can free yourself or break away from him. Not exact or strict. They gave a loose estimate of the cost. A tooth became loose after the accident. The screw is loose. You need to tighten it with a screwdriver. He's got a screw loose. The handle feels loose. You should tighten it. Loose ends refers to small, unfinished details that need to be completed or resolved before something is fully done. Before publishing the report, we need to tie up a few loose ends. We can't leave any loose ends. Tie up the loose ends. Loot, money or valuable things stolen. The thieves escaped with a large loot of stolen jewelry. A loot box is a virtual box that contains random rewards or items that players can win or buy in a game. In many countries, including Spain, new laws have been created to limit the use of loot boxes. These virtual boxes can be addictive, especially for young players, because they work like gambling. You never know what reward you will get. Lord, a man of high rank or authority. The lord of the castle greeted them. The villagers gathered to pay respect to their lord. Lorry, a large vehicle for transporting goods. The lorry was loaded with boxes. In British English, a lorry is the word for a large vehicle used to carry goods. In American English, the same vehicle is usually called a truck. The verb lose is very versatile in English. It can mean to fail to keep or maintain something, like a game, an object, or control. It can also be used figuratively to talk about emotions, sanity, or composure. Additionally, it is commonly used in expressions of bereavement when someone passes away. I don't want to lose my keys again. We lost the match yesterday. I cannot lose my composure during the meeting. Cooper is losing his mind. You have as much to lose as I do, maybe more. He lost control of the car on the icy road. His boss lost control and started yelling at the employees during the meeting. She is trying to lose weight before the summer. He lost 10 pounds in a month. Lose is also used when talking about money or business. You can say someone loses money in a deal, or that a company makes a loss when it spends more than it earns. He lost money on the sale of his house. Many investors lost a lot of money during the crisis. I can't accept your offer. I'd lose money at that price. Loss, when something or someone is gone. The company faced a significant financial loss this quarter. I am so sorry for your loss. I'm very sorry for your loss. Loser, someone who loses or fails. The loser congratulated the winner. She felt like a loser after failing the test. Don't be a sore loser. It's just a game. Lottery, a game of chance for money. He won a small prize in the lottery last week. Loud, making a lot of noise. The music was so loud that we couldn't hear each other speak. The music is too loud. Don't talk so loud. Out loud, using your voice so others can hear what you are thinking or feeling. He read the poem out loud. He tends to think out loud when solving problems. Loudly, in a noisy way. Please speak loudly so everyone can hear you. He laughed loudly at the joke, attracting everyone's attention. Lounge, a comfortable public or private room. We waited in the airport lounge. Loose, a small insect that lives on the skin. The child had a head louse. Lousy, very bad or unpleasant. The weather was lousy all weekend. She had a lousy day at work and just wanted to rest. Love, a strong feeling of affection. They love each other deeply. I love spending time with my family on weekends. Lovely, very beautiful or pleasant. She's such a lovely person. The weather is so lovely today that we should go for a walk. Loving, showing love or care. She gave him a loving hug. Low, not high in position or amount. The river is low this summer. The fuel level is low. We need to refill the tank. She's been feeling low since he lost his job. Please keep your voice low. The baby is sleeping. The plane flew very low over the mountains. They offer low prices on all products. The product is low quality, but very cheap. My energy is low today. Expression, running low, to have almost no supply of something. Example, we're running low on supplies and need to restock. Low fat, containing little fat. I only buy low-fat yogurt. Loyal, showing firm support. Dogs are loyal animals. Loyalty, the quality of being faithful. His loyalty to the team is truly admirable. Lubricate, to make something slippery or reduce friction. Lubricate the engine before starting. You need to lubricate the bike chain to make it work smoothly. Luck, success or good fortune. I had the luck to find my wallet. She wished me luck before the exam. Ludicrous, absurd or ridiculous. The idea was so ludicrous it made everyone laugh. The idea of flying pigs is completely ludicrous. Luggage, bags for traveling. We left our luggage at the hotel. Don't forget to pack your luggage for the trip tomorrow. Lumbago, pain in the lower back. He can't work because of lumbago. Lumber is wood prepared for building or making things. They bought pine lumber to build a shed. Wood is the general material from trees. The cabin is made of wood. Firewood is used to heat the house. Lumber is wood cut and prepared for building. The lumber yard sells beams. Wooden describes objects made of wood. The chair is wooden. She has a wooden spoon in the kitchen. Lunatic, a crazy person. They called him a lunatic for trying that stunt. Lunch, a meal eaten in the middle of the day. Let's have lunch together. We had a quick lunch at the cafe before going back to work. Lung, one of the two organs in the chest used for breathing. Smoking can damage your lungs. Smoking is harmful to your lungs and overall health. Lure, to attract or tempt someone. The smell of food lured him into the kitchen. The fisherman used a lure to catch fish. The company tried to lure customers with discounts. He was lured into a trap. Tempt means to try to make someone do something they know is wrong or unwise, while temptation is the strong desire or feeling that makes you want to do it. For example, the serpent tempted Eve, and she couldn't resist the temptation to eat the fruit. Lust, strong sexual desire or craving. Fun fact, lust is one of the 7 deadly sins, along with greed, gluttony, sloth, wrath, envy, and pride, famously portrayed in the movie Seven starring Brad Pitt. Luxurious, very comfortable and expensive. They stayed in a luxurious hotel. Luxury, great comfort or expensive things. A hot bath is a simple luxury. A long holiday is a luxury I can't afford right now. Lying, not telling the truth or resting flat. The cat is lying on the sofa. She caught him lying about his whereabouts last night. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.